It's Tuesday the 24th of June and the last day of the 4-day midsummer holiday, and it's raining, it's drizzly, it's not very nice, and the air is thick with mosquitoes, but Sally is still enjoying her walk.